Sit down.
Sit down now. Look, sit down, sit down, sit down. Oh, good job. Good, thank you.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. I'm actually low-key very scared. Can you hold me?
Great. Here, hold it.
So I don't walk.
Look at it, we're taller than the tree. I feel like I'm a Superman. You want to look at yourself? How do you feel like looking? Tell me how you feel. You feel like Superman? You can fly? You feel like a bird?
It's a bird. It's a pig. No,
It's Super Lucas. It's Super Lucas. Spectacular. Look, I'm taller than the tree. I am taller than the tree.
What that mean? What that mean? Do you see that bird over there? Imagine if we like jumped on and then we were like a monkey and went. Ah,
This is a 10-minute ride.
How many minutes does it take? I'm freaked out.
Hey, Lucas, we went over here in the morning. We went through this area,
Yeah,
remember?
and that's why I wanted to ride this
Remember
ride.
we went through this area?
Yeah, I've been trying to
5K?
find this ride. I wanted to find it. That's why I was going this way.
This is like a reward. After you run through the whole complex, now you're riding a ski lift. It's like a dessert after dinner. It's so good. Yeah.
So good to... Oh shoot. Look how high we are.
Lucas, I see. What do you see?
I see more.
I spy nacho chips.
Nacho?
Right there in front of you. Those are nacho chips.
I love nacho. I love spicy.
I spy ice cream.
Can we go get some later?
If you're good.
I spy my massive eyes and with these cameras.
I spy an American flag.
I spy a smoothie. Imagine if my shoe was fell out.
Sing the national anthem for Daddy.
Oh, the saints and you see by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed, and the twilight lost in mist, and the rose of green. I don't know. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Mario, look.
What's that?
You remember?
That's a Marine Corps. He's a Marine.
Do you remember?
I think he's a sergeant. He's a sergeant.
Do you remember him? You saw him last time.
You know that when Daddy grew up at your age, there's this guy. He's very famous in wrestling. His name is Sergeant Slaughter. He slaughters everyone. Sergeant Slaughter.
Well, didn't it mean like murder?
No. Almost, but he's a wrestler.
So like pick them up and slam them.
Yeah.
Real imagine my shoe fell off. Imagine if like everybody's shoe fell off.
Mm-hmm.
Raining shoes.
Moa, don't do that. I spy 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. I spy a giant corn. On your left, straight ahead, left. A giant corn.
I don't see it.
Right there.
I spy with my little eyes. I see. And
Yeah,
too big.
I see pizza.
I spy with my little eyes a Ferris wheel. I spy with my little
Another
eyes.
Ferris wheel. There's 2 Ferris wheels. There's another one over there.
Look how hard.
Look, you're hurting my stomach. Ow. Don't do that. What else do you spy, Lucas?
I spy eyes. Green car. I spy my little eye green car. Over there with the green tent.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I spy with my little eye really quick. I spy my little eye.
Welcome to Silver Street.
I spy a racing pigs. Racing pigs, Lucas. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop
Bye
it.
bye.
Don't do that.
Oh, I'm scared.
I know, don't look down. When you look down, you get scared. Don't look down. That's why Daddy don't look down. Daddy never look down.
You know what?
Oh, I spy a concert.
I smell a rock band.
Oh, well,
Hey,
yeah.
look. I smell that guy that's dancing.
Oh, that's a, what's that called?
He's really shaking up those nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
His balls.
Oh, out the gate, go.